Hello and welcome back to Between the Keys. On today's episode, whatever, it's the US Top 40 song number 4, and it's now Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter. They are moving around a bit. Good Luck Babe is now number 1. So, yeah, they do move around, as you'd expect. Well done to, how do you pronounce that? Chappelle Roan, or is it Rowan? Chappelle Roan. Either way, she's number 1. And so, on today's show, we're going to do Espresso, Sabrina Carpenter. She's all over the charts. We already did, by the way, on the channel. We did Good Luck Babe, Birds of a Feather, Please, 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 and $1 Million Baby, which is number 5. So we're already up to 6 after this. And this song's quite easy. You need only 4 chords, really. D minor, E minor, A minor 7. Actually, that's 3 chords. Is it only 3? I think it might only be 3 chords. The intro is D minor, E minor, and then now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is that sweet? I guess so. That's the first line. That's D minor 7. Just thinking about me every night. Oh, is that sweet? I guess so. That's your rhythm. Ba da da, ba da da da, ba da da da, ba da 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 da, ba da da da, ba da da da, ba da da da. Stay on B, up to E, back to A. I'm working late, 'cause I'm a singer. No, the next line is, so you can sleep, baby, I know that's me, Espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Switch it up like Nintendo. And then, so you can sleep, baby, I know that's me, Espresso. Verse 1, I can't relate to desperation. Might give a fucks. E minor 7 are on vacation. That's where the A minor comes in. Might give a fucks. E minor 7 are on. The A minor 7 comes in. Are on vacation. And I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling. Sorry, E minor 7. And I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling. D. When they act this way, E. I know I got 'em. Pre-chorus. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. D minor. So same rhythm on the pre-chorus. Soft skin, I perfumed it for you. And then you got B. That's your melody there. Easy. Then you got chorus. Now he's thinking about me every night. Is that sweet? I guess so. Kind of the same rhythm, right? You could play that with a D minor. You could play that D minor with a 9, with an E on top. A minor with a 9. Etc, etc. Now he's thinking about me every night. That's me, Espresso. And then you've got a pre-chorus, E minor 7. Holy shit, is that Is it that sweet? I guess so. Ew. And then verse 2. I'm working late, cause I'm a singer. He looks so cute. Wrapped around my finger, my twisted humor makes him laugh so often. My honeybee, come and get this pollen. Back to the pre-chorus. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. E walked in and dreamed. A came true it for you. Soft skin and I perfumed it for you. And then I know a mountain do it for you. Yes. That morning coffee brewed it for you. Yes. One touch and I brand newed it for you. Yes. E minor 7. Okay. And then back to the chorus. Now he's singing about me every night. Oh, is that sweet? I guess so. Speaking of coffee brewed it for you. Coffee, I brewed it for me. Haha. I don't need no coffee brewed it for me because coffee, I brewed it for me. Myself. Me, myself and I. Thinking about me every night. Okay, is that me, Espresso? And then the ending of the song. A minor, D minor, E minor, A minor. Oh, it's delicious. Okay, post-chorus, it goes A minor 7. Is that sweet, I guess so. That's that me, Espresso. Is that sweet, I guess so. That's that me, Espresso. So the song's basically in A minor and you only need 3 chords. Coffee brewed it for you. Thank you for watching. You've been watching Between the Keys, US Top 40, Song 4, Sabrina Carpenter, Espresso. Next up is Song 6, a bar song, Tipsy, in brackets, by Shabuzi. I've never heard it. Let's do a live watch-along of me listening to the song. No, because I won't be able to play it because I'll get a copyright strike. But anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like for more.